in order to figure out the answer. After Dingli's 20 years research and development, the ultimate design of the industry, modular concept, was officially launched. Hello everyone, this is Ethan in Dingli Force Intelligent Facility. Long time no see. At present, Dingli's full series of 16 to 44 meters modular booms have been already launched, namely D series of 16 to 22 meters developed by Dingli China, M series of 24 to 34 meters developed by Magni, and T series of 36 to 44 meters developed by Tupan. Derived from the modular design, all models in boom series, no matter electric, diesel, and hybrid, are developed on the same platform. 90% of structural parts and 95% of the main components are common, and all suitable for container transport. Choose Dingli modular booms. You will unlock the low after-sales maintenance cost. Leasing companies only need to prepare one set of accessories to deal with the unexpected failure of the full series. If you know how to fix one model in the series, you will be able to cope with the whole range of models, greatly reduce the cost of parts storage and labor investment. Also, markedly improve the efficiency of manual maintenance to maximize the benefits. At the same time, you will have the excellent equipment quality and performance. Dingli's general structural components are completely self-manufactured, batch standardized production with the whole process of quality control. Dingli booms equipped with global first-class accessories as standard. Excellent match for the used market. The modular design will save all your troubles. Focusing on the secondary cost investment, targeting the strongest fleet in the industry. More top design of Dingli. Stay tuned. This is Ethan. See you next time.